In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix GCash. This feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower problem. This message appears because GCash no longer supports older Android versions like the 4.4 KitKat for security and performance reasons. Now, the first thing that you may want to do is check your current Android version. Just head over to Settings, then click on My Phone or About Phone, then scroll down until you see your current Android version. If your phone is running Android 4.4 or lower, GCache features won't work properly. Now, if updates are available, make sure that you install the latest Android version, for this is the best and safest fix. Now, if your phone can't be updated, you'll need to log into GCache on a newer Android phone that meets the app requirements. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!